So what is dyslexia? Dyslexia is basically a reading disability. They usually have a hard time with reading, comprehension, spelling, and writing. But these problems aren't a challenge for intelligence. Approximately 5 and 10% of people have it, and as many as 17% of people show signs of other reading challenges. But there are various teaching approaches and strategies that can help people with dyslexia to improve their reading skills and manage these challenges. So, school going virtual has made it significantly harder for children with a dyslexia disability since they're not receiving the assistance they were getting from their teacher before. And our solution to this is Dyslexia Helper. So, this is the homepage. You can learn more about the features over here as well. So, there's a font changer. And using our font changer feature, you can change it to your liking and what helps you read better. So over here, there are quite a few features. For example, you can change the font to a dyslexia friendly font. For example, over here, it is statistically proven that the font can make a difference on how the reading is done for these readers. Additionally, the font size also makes a difference. So people who use our font changer can make the text smaller or bigger. And they can also change the background. For example, they can change it to a night color. Additionally, they can also highlight to make certain things stick out and to help them read better.
Next, let's go to our second feature, Recite Notes. Okay, so now we can enter the notes, click Submit. And then if you click Start, it will read your notes in manageable chunks.
One of the most important contributions made to the science of evolution by Charles Darwin is the concept of natural selection.
And then, to continue, you need to click Start Listening and then recite it. One of the most important contributions made to the science of evolution by Charles Darwin is the concept of natural selection. And then we check it.
The idea that members of a species compete with each other for reasons.
Now, it will only continue if you recite it correctly. If you recite it incorrectly, for example, I'm just going to say random stuff and make it incorrect, it won't continue. So to continue, you need to recite it perfectly. And we also have a posture detector that comes with it. So all you need to do is click Start Camera, and then it will ask you for camera access. And then it will turn on a posture director. So if I'm all straight, it would show a good posture. And then if I slouch, it's going to show a bad posture. So here are the technologies that we use to build our website. First, there's HTML, CSS, JavaScript for the main website. And then for the machine learning process for the posture corrector, we are using Tensor, TensorFlow, and also Google Machine Learning. And then for the reciting, we use text-to-speech API and also speech-to-text API. And then we also used Flask and Python for both the chatbot and also the reciting.
And the chatbot can be a fun feature as well as something our users can use to help them. So here's a demo of the chatbot. So this was a little conversation with the chatbot, and it can also be used for additional questions as well.